Welcome to our tutorial about major, minor, and double major declaration. We will be covering the declaration process from various aspects. What's there to declare, when and how to decide, who can declare, when and how to declare. But before all this, let's take a look at our toolkit. There are different tools which can help you in the process of deciding and applying for your major, minor, and double major. Always check and refer to your SU emails. If you prefer another email account, you can set up automatic forwarding. Follow MySU Daily or check MySU announcements from Gazette SU Daily email. Regularly check the academic calendar which is available on MySU and will help you stay on track with all important deadlines. For any important academic and administrative questions, refer to Student Resources website. This is also your prime resource for major, minor and double major declarations. Take advantage of our advisory system. Your CAD counsellors and academic advisors are here to help you decide and apply for your major. Don't hesitate to ask for an appointment. Now, let's see what there is to declare. There are 6 undergraduate programs to choose from in the Faculty of Engineering and Natural Sciences. In the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, you can select among 6 programs, or you can choose to do a major in management offered by Sabancı Business School. For more information about the programs, visit the faculty's websites. Apart from your major, you can also apply for a minor program. There are 13 minors to choose from. Visit the faculty's websites to get more information on the minor programs. You can also choose to declare a double major and get 2 diplomas at the same time. For students registered to Sabancı University before 2019, 10 of the undergraduate programs are open for double major declarations. For students registered to SU as of 2019-20 academic year, all 13 undergraduate programs are open for double majors. When and how to decide? What are the advantages of early or late major declaration? If you declare your major at the end of the 2nd or 3rd term, you'll have more time and flexibility to explore and decide your minor and double major programs. If you go for a late declaration, generally at the end of the 4th term, you can comfortably try out different programs and make a more informed decision about your major and future career path. You may be wondering how to decide about your major, minor or double major declaration. Talk to your CAD counsellor, diploma area advisors, friends and alumni from the programs you are interested in. Collect ideas and experience, but make your own decisions and create your own path. Who can declare a major and when? Your eligibility to declare a major depends on the credits you've completed. You can declare your major at the end of the 2nd term if you've completed at least 34 SU credits or 60 ECTS credits. You can declare at the end of the 3rd term if you've completed at least 49 SU credits or 90 ECTS credits. Or finally, you'll have to declare your major when you complete 58 SU credits or 94 ECTS credits, which is generally at the end of the 4th term, excluding optional summer terms. What happens in exceptional situations? If you want to make a cross-faculty declaration, you will need both types of university entrance exam scores, and your application will be reviewed by our Student Resources. If you don't declare at all, you'll be placed on the program you mentioned as your initial intention. If you couldn't meet the criteria although you made your declaration, your application will be cancelled. If you change your mind after declaration, you can apply for an internal transfer. However, internal transfer has its own criteria and you only have one chance for a transfer before you become a senior and complete 93 SU credits. You can apply to a minor program after you have declared your major and only if you're eligible. The requirements for physics, chemistry, mathematics and art theory and criticism minors are to have a minimum 2.72 cumulative GPA and to apply at the latest in the 8th term. Optional summer terms do not count. For philosophy, psychology, conflict analysis and resolution, decision and behavior, finance, gender studies, business analytics, entrepreneurship and energy minor programs, 2.72 cumulative GPA is required and you should not have any standing Fs. For these minors you can apply at the latest at the 6th term. Optional summer terms do not count. It's also important to note that students who fulfill the necessary conditions can register to more than one minor program at the same time. You can also consider applying for a double major. For students registered to Sabancı University before 2019, the criteria for double major applications is to have a minimum 2.72 GPA and no standing Fs. For students registered to SU as of 2019-20 academic year, the cumulative GPA requirement is 3.2. Your application will be reviewed by Student Resources for eligibility under HEC regulations. In order to graduate from a double major, both programs' degree requirements should be met, and 300 ECTS credits, 30 extra SU credits should be completed. For students registered to Sabancı University before 2019, 2.72 cumulative GPA is required to graduate. For students registered to SU as of 2019-20 academic year, the graduation requirement is 3.2 cumulative GPA and program GPA. You can use an extra 2 terms if you complete your major's degree requirements in time. For further details on double major diploma programs, visit Student Resources Double Major page. Before proceeding with your declaration, make sure to visit the Student Resources Program Requirements page and review the specific program requirements of the major, minor and double major you have chosen. After you have made your declaration, don't forget to keep following the degree requirements closely. Also, keep in mind it's very difficult to recover from early setbacks throughout your university life. Freshman requirements will haunt you. Do your best to finish them in time. Finally, let's see when and how to declare your major, minor and double major. Major declaration period is in the middle of every term. You should apply if you think you are eligible or will be eligible by the end of that term. You can check the dates from the academic calendar or MySU announcements. Application for major declaration is done through Banner Web Student Information System. Open Banner Web, go to Student Services and Financial Aid. Select Degree Audit and Graduation and click on the Major Declaration for undergraduate students. Declarations for minors and double major are accepted in the middle of every term. Dates are announced in the academic calendar and MySU announcements. In order to apply for a minor or double major, you need to sign a petition and hand it to the Faculty Dean office. Thank you for watching this tutorial.